Want to know how to change your profile in Font or AngelList? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So first things first, we can just simply open up your wellfound.com website. So you can just simply head towards your browser and type in wellfound.com and make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch that. So now once you have done all of that, you should be seeing this interface right here. And now once you're under this interface, on the leftmost side you should be seeing home, and right below home you should be seeing something known as profile. This is where you click it and see your profile right here. So now once you have already your profile, here you should be seeing your profile overview, so you can just simply scroll down and watch how others see your profile just like this right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these similar well-found or AngelList videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.